This is our first time visiting Model T Cafe. My wife and I are more milk tea type of folks than we are dessert folks. However, the desserts actually looked really good here and we wanted to give this place a try. As you can see, there's a lot of different options in terms of different cakes. We actually had a really hard time making a decision about what to actually try today. These crepe cakes are actually becoming quite popular in the area, and they are quite expensive as well. Myself, the crepe cakes don't do a whole lot for me. I honestly don't know what happened there, but it looks like I missed an entire layer of desserts there. So I apologize for that. Another item that's become more and more popular are these soufflé pancakes. It's always nice to be able to see the food actually being made in front of you. Of course, we had to get one of these because, well, it's a souffle pancake, and who can resist a good souffle pancake? My son and daughter love mango. Actually, I should say the whole family really enjoys mango, and that's why we decided to get the mango souffle. I must say, filming any kind of food or any items around is extremely challenging with kids around. My wife loves chestnuts, and so that's why we ended up deciding on this chestnut and Earl Grey cake. My daughter loves lychee, and that's why we ended up with this lychee rose crepe cake. I also had some film of us actually having unwrapped this dessert, but it didn't look really good because I didn't do a great job of unwrapping it. I think all of the desserts were okay. I don't know that anything was super spectacular about the flavoring or anything related to those desserts. We felt the same way about our drinks. I think they were good, but nothing spectacular. I don't find that many tea places make a great osmanthus tea where the osmanthus really stands out. That being said, I can definitely taste the osmanthus in my tea. Sadly for my son, he has a Chinese mother who will force him to finish off whatever food's on the table and then later complain that he needs to lose some weight. I miss you, Mom. Model T Cafe has two locations, one in San Gabriel and one in Pasadena.